We're going to New York City today. I got invited to my first event in New York City. It's at a rooftop bar, and I decided I would take you guys along with me while I get ready. Now, the event is not until 7 o'clock tonight. However, New York City is about a 2-hour drive. There could be traffic. I'm planning to leave around 2:30. It's currently like 9 a.m. But I figured I would just like start the process of getting ready because I'm the type of person where if I have one plan throughout the day, my whole day revolves around that one plan. Bye. First things first, some coffee. This is so random, but these great value flavored coffees are so tasty. I've been obsessed with the way it makes my whole house smell when I brew it. You're best. Start off with a fresh, like, hydrating body wash. I use this one by Olay. It smells like a warm floral. And then after I scrub my body with this, I go in with an exfoliating scrub. I love the Tree Hut Sugar Scrub in Moroccan Rose, and I use an exfoliating rag to just get off all that dead skin so that my perfumes later will better adhere to my skin and my lotions. And then I follow up with a very scented body wash. This one's by Bath & Body Works. It's the Japanese Cherry Blossom. I also popped in my Lumino whitening strips. I did all of my skincare. I'm just doing my body routine. I didn't realize that this was gonna be like a full body care tutorial. Every time out of the shower, I like using these two moisturizers. I use this one for my arms and my feet and like my stomach and chest area. I can't use it on my chest because for whatever reason it does like irritate my skin there, but on my arms it leaves them so buttery soft and it's like perfect for the feet. Like look at how glossy that lotion leaves the skin. This one I put everywhere else. This is like my tried and true. I'm gonna mist my body with this scent. I like to spray this all over and in my hair. This is what I think I'm gonna wear. I actually got this matching set 2 days ago from H&M with zero plans of where I was gonna wear it out to. I just thought it looked so expensive and I think it would be perfect for this event. The only thing is I think that this is a city print of like New York City and I feel like that's a little bit corny. I'm pretty sure, is that the Empire State Building? I don't know. Either way, it looks really cute and expensive, so I think this is what we're gonna work with. And I'm debating on what shoes I wanna wear. I could do my makeup super poppin' and wear sneakers, or I could wear heels. I'm not sure. The pants come pretty high up, so I was gonna wear it with a bandeau top and then have the overshirt open, or since it was gonna be chilly, I was thinking about wearing it with this like fun orangey red top with the pants, but I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna get started on my hair now because I'd rather just have that out of the way. I'm just going to touch up my blowout a little bit. All right, finally time to do the makeup. I figured I might as well just get started now. Poured myself some iced coffee in a wine glass because life is too short to not drink your iced coffee out of your favorite wine glasses. I think I want to do my go-to smoky eye look that I've been doing lately, using my Milk Hydro Grip to prime the skin. Stuff hold your makeup like glue. And I like to put a smoothing primer on my pores. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty. I really need this makeup to last because the event isn't until 7 o'clock and it's only like 12 right now. I'm gonna put my Fenty touch-up powder in my bag before I forget. Put this in there with like maybe my sponge. Did a brow lift from like one of the Amazon brow lift treatments. Try them at your own risk, but it was the best decision and best thing I've ever done. My brows finally will stay up when I brush them up. I'm gonna use my Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette for the eyes. This is like my go-to palette when I want my shadow to look flawless and I don't want to have to worry about any ifs, ands, or buts of it looking patchy. This just stays true every time. But yeah, I forgot to show you guys my nails. I tried the Hailey Bieber glazed donut nails. I did them last week. They've held up. They look kind of good. They're not obviously exactly like hers, but to get that frosted finish, I used the MAC Pro Pigment Reflex, and I believe it was Blue Reflex. So it's like a white powder, but in the sunlight it picks up blue. The only thing I don't like about it is that it also has some brown in it, so because of that in certain sunlight it looks like my nails are like dirty and they're not, but it makes sense because that reflex is typically used for the eyes and not for the nails. I'm gonna take this shade and use that as my transition. I'm gonna dip into this shade and I patted it in this outer corner like that. I'm like debating on how dark and smoky I want this. I'm just kind of laying it down initially. I'm gonna blend everything out in a sec. I was in a car accident when I was 2, so this eye has this like stubborn crease that I always have to work around. And so my eyeshadow shape is never identical on both sides. I'm obsessed with this little Sigma brush cleaner. It allows you to wipe your brush right on the spot so you can dip into another shade. All right, now we're gonna go into this shade. Got that more in the center of the eye. Yeah, also, this weekend I am gonna be working on set for another film. It's a short film this time. Initially, my anxiety's response was to say no. I feel like an imposter because the last film I did was the first feature film I had ever done. But everybody was really happy with my work on set. So I was like, you know what? If nothing bad happened last time, what's the worst that could happen this time? The only way you gain more experience is by actually doing things. You don't gain more experience and get better at your craft by just sitting at home being scared. So I'm excited. It's only 3 days. I feel like that's also why I haven't been posting on here that much, is just because I've been busy with a lot of other things in life. TikTok has taken off. I've been getting a lot of partnerships and collaborations there, which has been absolutely amazing. I've been doing a lot of wedding makeup. It's officially wedding season. Again, I had that feature film. So surprisingly, I have not decorated my house for fall yet. Normally I start decorating by like August. One thing that I will say I feel like has changed me is being more present. And so in the past I was always like so excited for the next season, but lately I've just been celebrating and enjoying the season that I'm in, and that's both metaphorically and literally. I've just been soaking up each season that I'm in and not trying to hurry up and rush to the next thing. That has been cool. So yeah, surprisingly I haven't decorated for fall yet. I think I'm gonna wait until it is actually fall. If you guys are interested in seeing how I decorate my house for fall, let me know. These guys are looking good. Brightening up this inner corner with the lightest shade in the palette. Conceal with my Dior Backstage Concealer. I've been loving to conceal first because I find it allows me to use way less product. Concealer pretty much matches my skin exactly, so I like to conceal with this first and then I'll brighten up with a lighter concealer afterward. I forgot to check. I think there was a package that was delivered. And then with my beauty sponge, I pick up some extra concealer and I just tap that into the skin. That just gives a super, you see how like flawless and smooth of a base that gives? Look at that. Like you don't even need foundation at this point. In a darker shade, and I put it right in the hollows of my cheek, nose, forehead, chin, jawline. I'm gonna use a foundation that never fails me. The NARS Longwear Natural Radiant Foundation. Oh shoot, is this too light for me right now? And I just like to focus it on my cheek area. This helps blend out that contour some more. And I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Concealer in the shade 3C. Very light shade. And I'm just gonna put a tiny bit inside of here and then pat that in with my beauty sponge. I just created my own blush with these 3 products. I'll leave them linked down below. Look how pretty that is. I bronze and blush with this Jouer Duo. Now I'm highlighting my eyes with my Sigma Soft Focus powder. I also bring the blush high up underneath of my eye, and then that way once I go in with the powder, it gives it that gradient pinky under eye, which I love. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on this look, let me know. All right, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup and then I'll show you guys my outfit and jewelry and all that. This is the makeup. Actually, like so obsessed with how it came out. These lashes are my favorite. I've been wearing them every single time that I glam. They're the Kiss Pret-a-Porter lashes, so affordable. They're linked in my Amazon shop. I'll also link the lip combo that I did down below. You guys see this hair right now? I love how bouncy it is. I like wanted to put it up and a half up, half down, but I think I might just leave it down because I'm obsessed with how bouncy and pretty it is. And I feel like this will kind of feminize the outfit because my outfit is pretty baggy, so cute. Okay, now I'm going to get dressed, I guess. All right, and this is the outfit for tonight. It's giving pajamas. I kind of love it. I decided to just wear these basic block heels from Target. There's nothing special about them, but I want to be comfortable. I'm wearing my vintage Versace bag, which I'm kind of loving the pop of red. I'm wearing my ring that's from Uncommon James. It's too big, so I had to shove a piece of cardboard in the back of it. And then this ring I recently picked up from Express. It's so stunning. I'm wearing just these simple gold hoops. This is a chain earring from Express, but it keeps on coming out. Like the back hole is too big. So I think I'm just gonna take it out. Oh yeah, I'm also wearing this watch that's from CNC Luxury. Shout out to Tony of Dallas. Her watches are stunning. And now it's time to pick out what fragrance I'm gonna be wearing tonight. I want something that's kind of like very fall and nighttime-y. So I'm debating either between YSL Libre Intense or this new replica fragrance I picked up. It's in the scent Jazz Club. It smells like fall and Christmas. I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's a toilette, so it's not gonna last as long, but it smells so good. And I do have a travel size of it that I can throw in my bag. Secret with fragrances to make them last all day is to put lotion on where you're gonna spray it. Put some like on my wrist, behind my ears. Then you're gonna spray the fragrance directly on where you put that lotion. Some in the inside of my elbows too. And I'm just gonna spray my clothes with my body spray. So yeah, I don't know if I'll talk to you guys again. So I love you guys, and I'll throw on a montage of the event in New York City. The next day, the event was so much fun. We ended up staying for a few hours. We left by like 10 o'clock and got home by 12. We were so exhausted, But it was crazy because we had no idea what to expect when attending this. We didn't know how many people were there. We didn't know if we would know anybody. We ended up meeting so many amazing creators, so many TikTokers. It was just a blast. So thank you, Infuse, so much for having me. I had such an amazing time. It was a blast. Thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me and getting ready. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.